This is an iPhone 10, and you can see that I believe the battery is bulging, causing the screen to lift. Battery health on this is 98%. So even with battery health of 98%, you can see it's bulging over time. Pretty disappointing. Very lightly used iPhone 10. So what's even more interesting than just the bulge itself is how big the bulge is. It's 2024 April, and this was manufactured 2017 November. So this is a 6-year-old battery. Look at it. Look how lifted, bulging both of these batteries are. So it lifted so much that it caused the screen to come off. And I have taken the screw down over here to relieve the pressure, but the battery needs to be changed. So something interesting after 6 years, even though let me show you the battery capacity. Even though the battery health is 98%, that's what it says. I checked on Coconut Battery. It says the battery capacity is 93% instead, and the battery itself supposedly was made again in 2017, end of 2017. So 6 years old, coming up to like 6.5 years. It wasn't really used much because it was only there's only 222 battery recharge cycles. So I just wanted to show this. I thought it was pretty interesting how much it's bulging after 6 years with little use. It bulged so much that the screen lifted off.